Hey everyone, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So in today's episode of Technology Lessons, we will teach you how to make this interesting tunic. I know that you are very bored and we finally here have something interesting for you. Tunic. We want to decorate this tunic with lace. It is very easy. You don't need to explain anything here, but the most interesting part starts when you get to the corner. This tail from the roll seam must be tucked. Here in this place. It should work like this. It takes a little effort and skill to make this happen. In order for you to succeed, we want to show you what needs to be done. We reached the corner and now the most interesting moment. We will show how to process this corner beautifully and gracefully. Natasha's magic hands will do everything. Firstly, before working with lace, so that it doesn't get small during washing, it should be decorated. Be really careful. You need to determine the bend point. Draw a line. This point in the place where you now need to bend the lace. And mark the line along which the line will be laid. To test yourself, you can stick a pin along this line, expand and check whether the angle is really 90 degrees. You should be really careful. Better to double check than to ruin the whole thing. When we make a line and steam it with an iron, you need to be sure that the angle is 90 degrees. Now we turn back. We draw a line and along it we will lay a line. We have a thermal handle. It disappears under the temperature. To increase this corner, you need to reduce the stitch length. It turns out 2.5, but you have to look at your sewing machine. Exactly in straight line. A small tack at the beginning, at the end, your way to do this may not be as narrow as ours. Therefore, your line will depend on this. That's what we got from the front and wrong side. Here's the tail. Thanks to that, we can make this angle 90 degrees. We will continue work with this. Now the small stitch section needs to be ironed. Although the side is not large, you need to be very careful with it. The lace is already checked, so you can iron it from the front. After ironing, it becomes as a whole. The tunic will be very elegant. We pass for the sewing machine. What are we doing now? We want to fill the sail from the roll seam behind the wrong side. Then we will refuel it. And now we're looking for the axis that we want to cut. We will turn it in the other direction and lay a line of 10 centimeters. And only then we will carve excess lace. Chipped, we will grind. Be really careful. We will sew exactly into the groove of the roll seam. Your processing at this place may differ, but in our case like this, lay a line of 10 centimeters and again turn to the corner. Further in a straight line, it's clear to you how to sew. Therefore, we will not be distracted by this. We carve all the extra thread. We can now cut the tail from the roll seam and most importantly, gently curve a corner of the lace, leaving 2 or 3 millimeters to be elegant in this place. It reminds to iron and we can continue further. But we wanted to show you exactly this knot so that you could understand how to process the edge of the lace in place of the corner. That's how it looks on the front side and like that on the outside. We did not even iron this place. In our case, the edge is uneven at the lace, so we will cut it off when everything is processed. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us in our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!